Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about connecting and shaping data in Power BI. So Power BI desktop essentially has two distinct environments, basically a front end and a back end. So front end usually includes data, model and report views. So where most of the modeling, analysis and visualization take place here. Then coming to the back end, it includes the Power Query editor where the raw data is extracted and can be transformed and loaded into the front end. So let us discuss about the differences between front end and back end in Power BI. So in the case of primary focus, front end, user experience, visualization and interaction with data. Coming to the back end, it mainly focuses on data connection, transformation and modeling. Next one is tools. So in case of front end, the tools includes Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, Power BI Mobile. In backend, it includes Power Query, Power BI Data Model, DAX, Power BI Gateway. Coming to the interaction, in the case of front end, usually the user interacts with reports and dashboards, filter data, and drill through visualizations. In backend, the processes and stores data, refreshes datasets, and handles the calculations. The role and responsibilities of front end. One of the main responsibilities of front end is that viewing and presenting the final reports and dashboards. In backend, data preparation, processing and modeling. So this is the difference between front end and backend. So basically front end focus on the user experience, visualization, interaction with data, while backend focus on the data connection, transformation and modeling. So backend mainly consists of Power Query, Power BI Data Model, DAX, Power BI Gateway. Front end, Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, Power BI Mobile. Tools used in front ends. Then in coming to the interaction, user interacts with the report and dashboards, filter data and drill through visualization in case of front end, and back end processes and stores data, refreshes datasets and handles calculations. So these are some of the differences between front end and back end in the Power BI. Then another peculiarity of Power BI is that it offers a wide range of data connectors, mainly to connect to various data sources, and these includes first one is file-based connectors. File-based connectors means import data from files like Excel, CSV text, JSON, XML and PDF. Then in case of database connectors, connect to relational database like SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle and more. Cloud-based connectors. So these cloud-based connectors help us to access data from cloud services like Azure, Google, BigQuery, Salesforce and SharePoint. Online service connectors. This can be used to import data from online platforms just like social media, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, MailChimp and Dropbox. Power Platform connectors. So this helps to integrate with Power Apps, Power Automate and Power BI datasets. Web and API connectors. These import data from URLs, RESTful, APIs and OData feeds. Direct query and live connection. Helps to connect live to data sources like SQL, server analysis services or Power BI datasets. Then specialized data connectors. These includes connectors for ZAP, R or Python scripts, HD Insight and Teradata. Data flows. So use Power BI data flows for ETL processes. So these are the wide range of data connectors that we use in Power BI, and these connectors are very useful and allow us to easily import, transform and analyze data from various sources in Power BI. So now let us come to the Power BI home portion, and from there we can see get data. So there we can see all the platforms like file, database, Power Platform, Azure, online service, other, etc. Here also in case of all, here we can see Excel workbook, text, CSV, XML, different type of JSON files, folder, PDF. There are so many options you can see in this field. This is the Power Query editor. In Power Query editor, you can see here this transform data. So here we can transform the data. These are the query editing tools. Query editing tools includes table transformations, calculate columns, etc. Then here we have table name and properties, applied steps, queries pane, table preview. Everything is possible in this Power Query editor. Then this is the detailed view of Core editing tools. This is the home tab, and it can consist of general settings and common table transformation tools that we can use to transform our table. So this transformation tab include some of the tools in order to modify the existing columns, like if you want to perform any splitting, grouping, transposing, extracting text, etc. You can perform this. Can you make the use of this tab? In order to add column, we have another option here. The add column tools help us to create new columns that can be based on conditional rules, text operations, calculations, dates, etc. Then basic table transformations. So here we have, if you want to remove columns, we have options here. If you want to remove other columns also, you have an option here. Then for any alternation, like if you want to remove top rows, bottom rows, alternative rows, if you want to remove duplicate, blank rows, remove rows, everything option is available here. So keep or remove rows. So remove duplicates mainly helps to create new lookup tables from scratch. Remove other columns options will always want to a specific set. So also we have, in order to change data type, we have another option here, data type, whole number. Then there you can change data type like date, dollar, percentage, text, etc. If you want to sort values, another option is available, sort, A to Z, low, high, etc. In order to promote headers, we have another use first row as header. Then here also, if you want to duplicate, move or rename columns, another option is remove. Different type of options are available here. Remove other column, duplicate column, add column. From examples, remove duplicates, remove errors. So many options are available here. So if you want to get these type of options, you have to right click column headers in order to access these common tools.